Hey everybody, today we are going to be testing out a kitchen knife sharpener. We noticed that some of our knives seem a little dull compared to what they used to be. So when we're cutting things, I mean, I had to put pressure down on that just to cut this potato, and I shouldn't have to do it that hard. So what I'm going to do is get this thing cleaned up, and then we're going to test out this sharpener and see how well it works. All right, I put the potatoes to the side there. Let's get this thing out of the box. Okay, looks pretty simple. There's the instructions. I already read them though. They're on the back of it also. Okay, so this thing goes like this. You put on your glove, and you have 3 different slots. You have 1, 2, 3. And what it says is to hold with your non-dominant hand. And you put this in here and you pull back several times. We're going to do that. 1, 2, 3. Let's go 4. 4. Okay. And so that first one, let's see what that step is to do. That is the diamond rod, and then next we're going to do the tungsten steel, and that's what actually sharpens it. And then the last one is going to be to kind of clean it up. All right. Oh yeah, that's a lot harder. 2, 3, 4. All right, did the first 2 steps. Now we're going to do the last step to kind of clean it up and polish it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, give me a second. I'm going to clean up. Well, we ran through all of the slots, got this thing cleaned up. Let's see how much better it cuts this potato, if at all. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's like way smoother. Even stuck to it. So yeah, looks like this thing worked. It was only like $13 on Amazon. I don't really like Amazon, but hey, it worked. So yeah, pretty simple. It's definitely sharper. I can even hear it now. That's nice. So Rachel's gonna be happy when she goes to cook some meals in here and the knives work properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab all our other knives, go through this. So I'm gonna leave a link for this product in the description, and if you guys need one, feel free to buy it. You guys have a good one. Talk to you later.